So now we are going to create a golden rectangle according to its own definition. Well, by definition, in geometry, a golden rectangle is a rectangle with side lengths in the golden ratio. And the golden ratio is equivalent to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 is to 1, or small or little p is to 1 with the value of p approximately 1.618. So at first we are going to create a square with the length of two sides. Ayan, okay. Gumawa muna tayo ng square na ang length niya ay two sides. Okay, so lagyan natin siya ng length na two sides. Okay, so ito yung ating square. Ang length ng kanyang side ay 2. Then, we're going to find the midpoint of the one side. So, let's say ang kanyang midpoint ay dito sa part na to. Ayan, dito yung kanyang midpoint. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung ang midpoint niya ay nandiyan, so, ang magiging length nitong half of the midpoint of the one side is 1. Then, doon sa midpoint ng one side, mag-create tayo ng length or segment that connect to the midpoint and doon sa one corner of the square. Then, let put this line as represent for radius, because we're gonna make this line as a radius and form an arc. Then, magawa tayo ng arc mula doon, ikot natin hanggang dito. Okay, so masyado siya makapala. Bawasan natin. Okay, so mag-create tayo ng yan, ng arc. Ayan. Uy. Ayan. Then, meron na ngayong bagong extend natin yung line natin. Then, nandito na ngayon yung kanyang another radius. Ayan. Ay. Ayan. Then, since meron siyang right angle, then yung dun sa right angle or right triangle, makaka-form ng right triangle, ang magiging length itong one side ay 2. Then itong part na nasa base ng right triangle ay 1 to complete another side. Next. So, at this moment, we're gonna look for the value of r using the Pythagorean theorem by the right triangle. Pwede natin gamitin ang Pythagorean theorem para makuha natin yung value ng r, which is square root of 1 square added to the 2 square. So, meaning the value of r is square root of 5. So, itong r na to magiging square root of 5. Diba? So, ito yun. So, magiging r square root of 5. So, kung ito ay square root of 5, ibig sabihin, mula dito sa part na to, hanggang dito ay also square root of 5. Yan. So, to complete the golden rectangle, pwede natin makomplete yung golden rectangle by putting another yan, dito. Yan, sa makukonect na natin. Tsaka ito. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayun na ngayon yung form a rectangle. So, ang mangyayari ngayon ay kukuhain natin yung ratio ng length. Di ba? Yung length ng kanyang ng kanyang triangle o ng kanyang rectangle. Ay, nawala. Lagyan natin ito ng line para makita natin yung rectangle. Ayan. Okay. So, meaning, pag kinuha natin yung length, ito na ngayon siya, no? So, yung ratio ng length, ayusin natin. Okay, so length, ratio ng length over the width. So, the length from this point and this point is 1 plus square root of 5. Then, yung width naman natin ay 2 over 2, which is approximates to 1.618, and that is the golden ratio. Okay, so that's it.